Hello everyone. We have already studied about the rational integrands. Now we have to study about the irrational integrand. As we already know that irrational numbers are the numbers which are continuous, right, when we divide them. So they are basically in the root form. Any numbers which does not have a perfect square root or any equation, right, which is in the root form is said to be as irrational numbers, right? So now first type of question is evaluation of integral dx by px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c. So px plus q is a linear function and in the root there is a quadratic function. Okay, whenever we have this type of question, so we have to do the substitution that the linear equation should be equal to 1 by t. Again we will differentiate and get the values and we'll substitute in our question. Okay, so we have to consider the linear function is equal to 1 by t. And another part of the question, second type, is evaluation of integral dx by p x square plus q into the root of a x square plus b. Here both are in the quadratic equation forms, right? This also has the degree 2 and here also it is 2. So here both equations are the quadratic form. So we have to put x equals to 1 by t. If we differentiate that, we'll get dx is equals to minus 1 by t square into dt. We have to substitute these values in the question and we have to solve further. And the type 3 is, it includes three type of questions here. First is integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. And the second type of question is integral px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. And the third type is integral px plus q into root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay, so if you get any question which has a linear equation and a quadratic equation, okay, which is in the numerator and denominator or in the multiplicative form, then we have to take the linear equation is equals to a into d by dx of the quadratic equation plus b. We should differentiate and we have to find the values of a and b. Okay, we will get the values of a and b by comparing the coefficients of x and the constant term and then we'll integrate accordingly. Okay, so this is very important rules to remember in order to solve the question. We'll solve few questions based on these types so that you will understand it better. So our first question is evaluate integral x plus 1 by root of x square minus x plus 1 dx. So this function is in the form of integral px plus q by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx, right? Any function which is in this form can be written by the rule that is px plus q is equals to a into d by dx of the quadratic function ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Okay, you have to remember this. So here our linear function is x plus 1 equals to a into d by dx of the denominator, which is x square minus x plus 1 plus b. Now we should differentiate this term. So it is x plus 1 equals to a into x square derivative will be 2x minus x derivative is 1 and constant is 0, so I am not writing it. So we'll get plus b. Now we should take this as equation 1 and we should find the values of a and b. Okay, if we compare the coefficients of x and constant on both sides, we'll get, okay, so equate coefficient of x on both sides. Okay, so here x coefficient is 1 equals to, here it will be 2a, right? So from here we'll get the value of a is equals to 1 by 2. And similarly we should compare or equate the coefficient of, sorry, the constant terms, yeah, coefficient or the constant terms, okay, on both sides. So this will be equal to, here the constant is 1 is equals to, here a, if you multiply, so it is minus a and here it is plus b. Okay, so here 1 is equals to minus 1 by 2 plus b. So you will get here b is equals to 1 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2. So we'll get the value of b as 3 by 2. now we should substitute the values of a and b in equation 1. Substitute a, b in 1. So we'll get x plus 1 equals to the value of a is 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Now we should divide by what is our denominator. Our denominator value is root of x square minus x plus 1. So we should divide by this denominator and integrate on both sides. Okay, so we'll get integral of x plus 1 by the division of this term, x square minus x plus 1 dx is equals to, here also the same, so 1 by 2 constant I'll write outside, integral of 2x minus 1 by root of x square minus x plus 1 dx plus 3 by 2 integral of 1 by root of x square minus x plus 1 dx. So here this function is in the form of integral f dash of x by root f of x dx. Okay, so this is equals to 2 root f of x. Okay, this formula you need to remember. Okay, and for the denominator in this term we should, for this term we should add and subtract coefficient of x by 2 whole square. Okay, in the denominator term. Okay, so here the coefficient of x is minus 1, right? This is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole square, right? So minus 1 is nothing but in the square term it is positive only, so I can write it as plus 1 by 2 whole square. So we should add and subtract this term and we should apply this formula to this term. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 root f of x is x square minus x plus 1, and here plus 3 by 2 integral of 1 by, our denominator value will be x square minus x plus 1, the same thing, and we should add 1 by 2 whole square and we should subtract 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so here the 2 gets cancelled out, so we'll be remaining with root of x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 integral 1 by, here we can take this term a square, this is a square. Okay, this one is a square, and here this is minus 2ab and this is plus b square. If so, it is a minus b whole square, so we can write it as x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and this one is remaining here and minus this will be 1 by 4. Now we should solve this by taking the LCM, so it is 4 minus 1, which is will be equal to 3 by 4 here. Okay, so this will be same root of x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 integral 1 by, I have missed the root here, it is under root of x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and here it will be plus 3 by 4. Okay, now we should write the second term in the square form. Okay, so the square root of 4 is, root 4 value will be 2 and root 3 value is not there, right? So we can write this term as root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so this is equal to root x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 integral, write dx here, don't forget, 1 by root of x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square dx. Now this will come in a formula form. Okay, so now here we can apply the formula, that is integral 1 by root of x square plus a square dx, which is equals to sine h inverse x by a plus c. Okay, so here we should apply that formula, so we'll get root of x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 sine h inverse x. So this is the value of x, right? So it is x minus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, right, plus c. Here taking the LCM, so we'll get root x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 sine h inverse, so it is 2x minus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, right, plus c. So here this denominator 2 gets cancelled out, so we'll be remaining with root of x square minus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 sine h inverse 2x minus 1 by root 3 plus c is our answer. Our second question is integral 2x plus 5 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. So this function is in the form of integral px plus q by root of the quadratic function ax square plus bx plus c dx, right? So any function in this form, the rule is px plus q is equals to a into d by dx of the denominator, that is the quadratic function ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Now substitute the value of our linear function, that is 2x plus 5 equals to a into d by dx of the quadratic function x square minus 2x plus 10 plus b. Now differentiate this function, will get 2x plus 5 is equals to a into x square derivative is 2x minus x derivative will be 1. So this will be equal to only 2 and the constant is 0 plus b. Take it as equation 1. Okay. Now we will compare the coefficient of x on both sides. Compare coefficient of x on both sides. So we'll get here 2 equal to, here it will be 2a, right? So this will be equal to a equal to 1. And if we put the value of x as 1 here, okay? If we put 1 here, 2 minus 2 will be become 0. So put x equal to 1, so we'll get 2 into 1 plus 5 equal to a will become 0 plus b. So this will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 is equals to b. So we'll get b is equals to 7 from here. Substitute a and b values in equation 1. Substitute a and b values in 1, will get 2x plus 5 is equals to a value is 1 into 2x minus 2 plus b value is 7. Now we should divide by our denominator, which is equal to root of x square minus 2x plus 10 and integrate on both sides. So we'll get integral of 2x plus 5 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx is equals to integral 2x minus 2 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx plus 7 integral 1 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. Now this term is in the formula integral f dash of x by root f of x dx, which is equals to 2 root f of x, okay? And for this term we should add and subtract the coefficient of x by 2 whole square. So here the coefficient of coefficient of x is 2 here, okay? So it is 2 by 2 whole square, which is equals to 1 square. So this term we should add and subtract on both sides, okay? Sorry, in the denominator, okay? So this will be equals to 2 root f of x value is x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 integral 1 by root of x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 1 square and minus 1 square dx, okay? So this can be written as 2 root x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 integral 1 by root of, this can be taken as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is a minus b whole square, right? Plus 10 and this is minus 1. So plus 10 minus 1 value will be, which is equals to 9. So it is root 2 root x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 integral 1 by root of x minus 1 whole square plus 9 dx. This 9 can be written as 3 square. This is equals to 2 root x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 integral 1 by root of x minus 1 whole square plus 3 square dx. Now this is in the formula integral 1 by x square plus a square dx, which is equals to under root of, which is equals to sine h inverse x by a plus c. Okay, so this can be written as 2 root x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into sine h inverse, the value of x is this one, so it is x minus 1 by the value of a is 3 plus c is our answer. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.